Ǹjẹ́ o àbẹ̀kẹ́ ni mí àjífọ́jọ́ gbogbo dára bí ẹ̀gbin. Mo ní wí fún gbogbo mùtímù wà ní. Bísí Ológe TV ni ẹ mọ̀ wò. Bísí Ológe show. Gbajúgbajà ni wọ́n o bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rí wọn. Mo ní dandan ni ẹ fẹ́ bá wọn ṣe. Bísí Ológe fúnra ara rẹ̀ ń kọ́. Ọmọ námù lóró òkè. Àṣẹ́hùn lóró okùn níran bàbá tó bí wọn lọ́mọ. Bísí Ológe arẹwà lóbìnrin adúmọ̀ọ́dán arẹwà. Àfijọ́ ẹlẹ́wọ̀ obìnrin tó mọ́ yáyì tí gbogbo ìlú ń fẹ́ ni. Àní Abẹ́òkúta téńté orí àpáta wọn fi ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo ní ẹ wá lọ́gùn yan lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ lọ́rọ́ ká ọkàn mi nìjọ. Mo ní ẹ wá fòrò yan mi ń lé. Wọ́n ní ẹja lónìí bú kí n gún yan lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ kí n ro ká ọkàn mi nìjọ. Mo gún yan lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ tán mo ro ká ọkàn mi nìjọ. Nílé bàbá tó bí wọn lọ́mọ. Àní kàkà kan fòrò yan nílé. Igi pẹlẹbẹ náà gbélé ńlá ọmọ sálà tí fowó àlejò bomi. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò kọ́gí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò mọ̀ kọ́ pẹ́. Àbẹ̀kẹ́ mo ní gbogbo yín pátápátá. Ire lójú wáyọ́mọ́ rí, ire lójú owó yọ́mọ́ rí. Bísí Ológe show ni ẹ mọ̀ tẹ́tí sí kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ wò.
The publisher to recover their cost. So this evening is an evening of honor, an evening of excellence for a lady of excellence. In the era of Germany in the 19th century, there was only one lady, Lady Bismarck. When Europe catches cough, when Germany catches cough, the whole of Europe will feel it. So this evening, our first book presenter and launcher is Prince Ibidapo. Prince Ibidapo, please come to this side of the table and do honor to the source, the cradle, the source of all civilization, where Itaidina is located, where the source of knowledge, and where you have the queens, the heroines, as the producer, Ile-Ife, the cradle of human civilization. Prince Ibidapo. Now, please, I want to urge us all to do a good clapping for Prince Ibidapo. And you can see he's robed in the Yoruba essential robe. If it's Guinea brocade, and if it's not Guinea brocade, it's never. So, my Prof, my brother, it's time for you. Let the dollar and add currency. Keep rolling. Add currency. Because I'm a very humble person, I hardly come out. But because of the respect I have of Kabiyesi, I don't know, maybe I should announce it for the book launching, because the kind of job that I do is I'm not permitted to donate publicly. But because of the fact that Kabiyesi is my father, and before I make announcement of the little token I want to drop, this is a very beautiful day. I don't know, maybe Kabiyesi extend this invitation to Olowo for. I think he's supposed to be in this kind of forum today because it's an important event. For me coming out this night, or this evening rather, I'm going to donate a token of 10 million. A token of 10 million by our own Prince Ibidapo. First installment. Sincerely, first installment. What I do is the business of fundraising. And I will reach out to him through Kabiyesi in other contexts. He's modest. See, that book, if you translate it into dollars and add currencies, we privately engage you. I paid 10 million naira in naira because I have a double payment and another $10,000 in currency. Thank you. Thank you. my friend who gave me the job, you want them to sack me. I don't want to count other people's money. I want to count my own money. That's why I did not stay or accept the job in the bank industry. Now, it is my privilege to call a professor of money, professor of finance, hard currency in dollar,